Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. So it is Bermuda 0, the Jamaica Reggae Girls 2, Jamaica 2, Bermuda 0. Definitely another good performance from the Reggae Girls. Despite we could have gotten a lot more goals in that game. Unfortunately, that is football, and certainly we will discuss this girl. We'll discuss this game in more in-depth analysis. Hopefully guys are doing good. Hopefully everyone is doing fine. And please make sure you smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Let me just give a shout out to our channel members. 2 channel patrons, Raymond Austin, Ravon Bennett. The original Zilla, these are the channel members. Original Zilla, Jermaine Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Fedafire, Black Icon 40, Carl Wallison, the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Lee Bell, Marsden Ricketts, Jamil Winter, Rocco Reacts, Devon Hughes, Angelica Rivera, Ira Linkup, and D. Ellis Worth. My respect. Also give a shout out to our channel sponsors, Sap Sports people. Check them out. Latest thing on IG at Sap Sports 4. You can check them out in Clarendon, Denby Maypen. Definitely they can give you all the latest football, sports gear, everything that you want in regards to sports. They have it, so check them out, people, and give them support. You support them, you support the channel as well. Definitely. So let's get into the meat of the matter. Let's start off by looking at the starting lineup by the coach himself. This is what the starting lineup looks like, people. I do believe that it was a good one. It definitely was a good starting lineup. I thought it was a good matchup as well. I thought it was a very entertaining game, despite we throw away a lot of chances. That is football. We have Brooks in goal. We have Akila Johnson. We have Nelson. We have Mignot. We have Wilson, captain. We have Williams. We have Powell, Buckley, Amelie, and Seaton. And finally, Atkinson leading the line. But certainly, people, I want to say, tell the Reggae Girls, hats off to the Reggae Girls. Another job well done in this competition. Certainly. First goal was by Buckley as she gets it on the top of the edge of the 25 yards out, I think, about 26 yards out, and she really drive her laces through that ball, hitting the back of the net. Tremendous strike from Buckley, a beautiful strike from Buckley. She is a brilliant talent. Definitely, we started off the game quite nice. I do believe that we dominated where possession is concerned. We had a lot of possession. We knew when to turn over the ball. We knew when to rotate the ball. We knew when to recycle the ball. We knew when to break the line. We knew when to take the sting out of the game. These young ladies play with a lot of experience, which is not really normal to see, especially at such a young age, especially at such a young age. But as the game goes on, I do believe that there was so much opportunity. We hit the bar, we missed chances. Just final passes not being sharp enough, hitting the bar again, kicking the ball wide. Just some small little tweaks in the final third, and certainly the game would have been put to bed from early out. They didn't really threaten us. They had like one corner. They had one corner and about 2 shots. One at goal. The one that they had at goal was actually from a free kick that came like about 25 yards out, and the keeper kind of dealt with that one quite easily and certainly. So David Richards also seals the win with a late strike as she buries a free kick from just outside the box into the bottom corner of the Bermudan net. So certainly the game ended Jamaica 2, Bermuda 2. And I thought that even for the neutrals watching this game, they would have said that was some quality football. They would have experienced and witnessed the Reggae Girls, the young Reggae Girls playing. I have to say, people, they were brilliant from minute 1 up until the end of the game. And they managed the game really well. In manage, I'm talking about in the last moments of the game going down. They don't necessarily have to do that, but just retaining possession of the ball and letting the Bermudan players work overtime. You can see where the frustration boil up, where in the latter stage, after the full time, I just got the opportunity to rewatch to see what happened. A lot of frustration boil over from the Bermuda team, and they come at us and a bit of fighting. I would say they display a bit of fighting. Unsportsmanship behavior. Unsportsmanship behavior, I would say, in the last stage of aspect of the game after full time, definitely. But certainly, as I said, that was a good performance from the Reggae Girls, and I do believe that as a Reggae Boys and Reggae Girls fan, you have to look at the performance and said, oh, the girls look how they play football. That is what we want to see. All of our teams playing football in that manner, that level of confidence, playing the ball around, that stamping that level of authority over our opponents, and that's something that we love to see. That's what we want to see going forward. But definitely, the next matchup is Honduras on Tuesday at 8 p.m. Can we get that one over the line? Can we really get that one over the line? I believe we can. I strongly believe that we can get that one over the line. I'm hoping, though, that that it's not concerning that we only managed to score 2 goals against Bermuda, where Honduras scored, I think they scored 5, and also defeated Angola. I think we defeated Angola 6, and Honduras turned around and slapped them about around 9. So there's a disparity there. If you look at the difference in scoreline, they consistently score 3 more goals than us, which is basically saying that it looks as if they are 3 goals better than us. Yes, we throw away a lot of chances, but I would assume, and not assume, but I saw like the highlights, and Honduras did throw away quite a few chances in both games as well. So it's similar. So at present moment, as it stands, it would stand in place that Honduras team is 3 goals better than us. Now, will Honduras come play when they're playing against Jamaica, just trying to hold on to that draw? Will they do that? I doubt it. I doubt it, because they'll be looking at the score lines. They'll be looking at the score line, looking at the performance, and said, we can take them. We are better than them, and definitely they would have to come and prove to us that they are good as us. So definitely, I do believe that. I'm hoping that the management staff would be looking at these games that Honduras played against, both teams that they have played against, and make their assessment in how they would approach that game. If they're going to approach that game with that high level of confidence, or that possession-based football, or playing a little bit more of a counter-attacking, sit back a bit and catch them in the counter-attack football, based on how the Honduras team play. They play a bit of possession-based football, but because the opponents were so poor, you can't really tell. It's hard to tell. But it's similar to what we have done so far, so you can use that as reference. You're gonna if you use that as a reference, you're gonna have to say that, boy, they still score 3 more goals than us. So basically, based off that reference, they would automatically fill in the gap as better than us at this present moment. But certainly on the day is what really counts, and I'm expecting to see what we can do against the Honduras team. It's definitely, most certainly going to be a good matchup between Jamaica and Honduras. Anyways, people, please do smash the like button and hit that subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, well done again, Reggae Girls. Well done again, young girls. And I'm happy for you guys. You guys did us well. You guys definitely represented yourself well, represented the color well. Can we top this group? Can we qualify for the championship by topping this group? Can we do it? I believe we can. But on Tuesday, we'll finally know if we actually can do it. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, people. And we are out. Boom!